Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to show hidden applications in the phone, a very simple way. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I would like to thank everyone who supports me. Thank you. Now let's go to the first step. My friend is to go to your phone settings, then click on the settings search engine and just write in the settings, engine hide applications, and it will appear here, hide applications, click on it. Now my friend, any application you find next to this mark, next to it, the check mark. This means that this application is hidden. All you have to do is deselect that application and then click here. After that, the hidden application will be restored to your phone interface. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries or problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in the next video, God willing.